Hey guys, we're just popping on real quick to check out the new and improved Buzz Lightyear Spaceship Spin. Space Ranger Spin? Spaceships? Whatever. You know what it is. So, let's get to it.
Infinity and beyond.
Space Rangers, this is Buzz Lightyear. Congratulations on a successful mission. You saved the galaxy from Zurg's evil plan, and you did it with style. By order of Star Command, I promote you to Planetary Pilot.
All right, so overall, really good improvement. I do miss the old Toy Story song, Strange Things. I feel like that's so iconic to this ride. You know, strange things keep happening to me.
And the Grammy goes to...
So that will be missed. We're going to pour out one for you. But I will definitely take actually operating vehicles and guns over that. So good improvement. Disney, you did good. It's hit the Nick Fury phase of sunlight out here. So... It is not a day at Magic Kingdom unless you get a Mickey's ice cream bar. All right, guys, well, it's hot as Hades out here and a little bit crowded, so I think I'm going to cut out. In the meantime, keep daydreaming. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these videos. It really helps out. Thanks.